Hi students, I'm Dr. S. Devappriya, who conducts IELTS classes. I have a separate website. There you can see about the students' comments. IELTS is very simple exam, but most of the students think it is hard. Why it is hard? The reason is you don't study according to the proper guidance. Guidance is needed for IELTS. First of all, we will consider about the sections, but I know all the students who are trying to do IELTS know about these 4 sections. Number 1, that is listening paper. Number 2, reading paper. Number 3, writing paper. Listening paper is concerned, it consists of 4 parts. When you come to the reading paper, it consists of 3 sections. Both papers are having 40 questions. That means each paper is having 40 questions. Reading is having 40 and listening is having 40 questions. When you come to the writing paper, there are 2 questions. Those 2 questions are called task 1 and task 2. But I have to explain it properly because IELTS exam is having 3 different types. Mainly, first one, IELTS academic. That is done by the students who are going to do studies or higher studies in abroad. Second one, who are going to get PR. For them, they have to do IELTS general. Other than special papers are there for UK, that is UK visa. Now I'll tell about the other one, 4th part of the exam, that is speaking. Speaking paper is normally 18 minutes. It is a online conversation or sometimes test is face to face. Most of the time now online. IELTS, even listening paper is concerned, how to write the answers, how you arrange that, everything should be taught. I do it in a very clear way. For instance, first 10 questions. There you have to write the names, some names of a person, names of a road, name of an institution, like that. So when you are writing, how you write the how to write the spellings, capitalization, even the numbers are written, how to write it, and instructions given there is very important. For instance, I can say one word only in reading paper. One word and or a number. Not more than 2 words and or a number. Like that, several instructions are there. By doing and doing over and over listening paper, most of the students think you can achieve. Yes, up to certain extent. Before that, you should know how to listen to that. For that, I am training you with some recordings. Sometimes maybe directly from Cambridge paper recordings or any other recording which are selected by me. Then I'll come to the reading. Reading questions are concerned, there are 12 questions in academic, 12 different type of questions in academic. There is a particular method of answering the question for answering the questions. Separately, we consider about the questions. There are some tips and instructions to be given. For instance, there is a set of questions called true, false, not given. There are some words, controlling words are there. Up to certain extent, the answer is false. Like that, tips are there. Those tips should be understood. And you have to practice then the papers. Now we'll jump to the writing paper. When you come to the writing paper, there are two questions. One is called, as I said earlier, task 1 and task 2. There, the marking is done under 4 categories. Those are task achievement, earlier it was, task achievement. Second one, cohesion and coherence, CC. Third one, lexical resources, LR, and grammar application. And when you are writing the essay, there is a structure for the essays. There are different 6 types of essay questions. Essay questions. Then slightly different structures are there. Common structure is the explanations. Yeah, you write topic sentence, explanations. After that, examples. When we are to write the example, we are to write the topic sentence and further explanation, sometimes outcome. So those things should be there in a particular paragraph. Paraphrasing is another one that should be done in a proper way. So then in my classes, I guide you according to these things properly. So therefore, if you come to my classes online, even that you can go for higher results. Now, I want to mention about another thing, that is speaking. Everybody thinks when you know how to speak, it is easy to do. Basically, it seems to be. But the thing is, there are part 1, part 2, part 3, 3 parts are there. Part 2, that is cue card questions. You have to perform that, or you have to give proper answers. Because in that question, there are 3 or 4 prompts. Prompts means 3 or 4 separate questions. According to this, you have to answer for the exam. So therefore, you want to make a story like that. The main reason is this. You are given 1 minute for preparation for the question. You are given A4 sheet normally and a pencil. After that, you have to answer for the questions given. For that, you have to completely 2 minutes there. You have to give your answers within the 2 minutes. You can't stop before that, can stop, but you get less marks. But you can't speak more than 2 minutes. Examiner stops you. So therefore, all these things should be trained properly. So that is the basic of my classes. Achievements are concerned very high. High pass rate is there for in my classes. I have taught a large number of students, and always I try to teach you how to get the better and needed results, the requirement. So that is the brief. Every week I am taking students. So any students want to come and join with me for IELTS classes, The method is you have to call us or call me. And after that, you have to discuss the matter, especially the exam date, or when are you going to do the exam, the country you are going, and your requirement. After that, you have to send me a WhatsApp. In that WhatsApp message, you have to provide us your name, your address, if you are working place, and if you have landline, that's there. Actually, that's all. I'm calling you to get the exam in a proper way and get through the exam. I'm calling on students to come and study under me and get through the exam with your required band score. Thank you very much.